Ain't no 0 miles off the lot, nigga.
Lexus just bought a motherfucking car. You're in there. Let's look at the Jeep. Give me a tour. Give me a tour, Omar.
What's going on?
Come on. Tour it.
Keys inside.
You gotta give me a tour.
Ain't no fuck going on.
Yeah. Oof. You already know.
Black
You
on
already
black.
know. That good
on
gas
black.
mileage. Good rim. Feel huge Honda. Sport. What's it about to do?
You just hold it. Oh, you unlock it, then you hold it.
Does it push to start?
Where's it? Twice. I don't know how it works.
I don't know. It's supposed to turn on with the key, but I don't know how to do it.
Hey. This hoe clean though. This hoe clean though.
You know, we got the VTEC out here, boy. Got the VTEC.
You gonna be gabbing people?
Making me uncomfortable, dude.
It's not used to it anymore.
It's just
That's a Jeep. That's a Jeep that just made that noise.
Is he 12 is gonna come over here and try to stop you and be like, Jack, what's up? We're like, nah.
Oh, no, I'm not. I'm gonna just be like, you. It's
It's clean, bro.
Go ahead, act up on him.
Go ahead, act up.
You need to show your face more, Holden.
Dude, I'm never showing my face because I'm ugly. Unlike you, beautiful motherfucker.
I know I'm beautiful, yet I still can't find the girl, so everybody go follow
That's
her on
right.
Instagram.
Everybody, Instagram.
Fuckboy level.
Oh.
Where?
Just kidding, I look like shit right now.
Oh my God, that's like
You look
a
like a
zero.
homeless person.
Go ahead. It's been a while. How are you doing, beautiful?
I'm doing good, man.
That's great.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the car. Beautiful, like always.
Thank you.
Dude, so many bleeps. Jesus Christ. What you been up to? What you been up to?
Shit, man. Work, you know, grinding work, getting some money,
Okay.
trying to
All
fix this baby up.
The money,
Make it
the
look
money.
good, make it look good, you know.
Tell me what's under the hood. That twin. That twin.
That's what.
Oh, don't talk about it. Oh, don't talk about it.
Dude, what the f you doing, bro? Turn off your fucking turn signal or get the f over.
Get on him. Get on him, hit it, Jack. Get on him. We're about to get off up here.
You already know what a fresh new fit, you know what I'm saying? I already know.
I haven't done before. I tried once, guys.
Oh my God.
I'm just kidding. I love you, Axel.
I literally left my fit like this.
No homo. I'm wearing socks, so it's not homo.
I left it.
Your battery dead. Fucking G35 problems.
Where's the boogeyman?
Hold on. Let me go grab the wing.
Go get the SRT4 wing.
Where's that door?
Probably in his back closet full of stuff.
Oh, you guys see it. All right, so that's one of Nate's 3Ks, the boosted one. This is Nate's chilling 3K. This is the IPL. That's the Pathfinder, G35, Jeep, SC. Oh, bro, this is the first time the vlog's seen that big ass fucking dildo you have.
Doesn't look that bad.
Omar. I see Nate's. Oh my God, Omar. I can see it.
That thing is huge.
Omar.
I can
Dude,
see
I'm
it.
not fucking lying. I can dead ass see it. Omar. I mean, it looks kind of ricey, but I
Nah,
can
that
see
ain't
it.
rice, bro. That is an ass. Omar, step back over here. Bro, that's straight booty, bro.
Bro.
Oh my God, what are you doing?
Put on the Pathfinder.
Oh, hell no.
Oh my God.
Put on the Jeep.
Dude, oh my God.
Bro, that's some JDM shit right there.
That is. Put on the Jeep.
Wait.
Dude, I think it's Slee look good on the Jeep.
Hold on, let's go see what it looks like on the Jeep.
They're fucking wider than the Jeep.
Bro, this is like the biggest. The STI copied this wing.
Bro, the STI wing is like half that size. Like lengthwise.
No, but it copied the design.
This is a
Combat.
GTO wing, ain't it?
Yeah, VR4.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That looks retarded.
That looks retarded.
Yeah,
Try the
let's see
SC.
what's on the SC.
I feel like it slick look good. Oof.
I don't.
Nah, it doesn't match it.
Yeah.
No, not really.
It doesn't match because that's boxy and the SC has curves.
Alright, yeah.
The SC needs like more curves.
I don't know how it works on my car though.
It just looks good on a G, bro.
I mean,
I could
it
see
kind of
it.
looks super
If it-
in a
if it
way,
was
but
like-
not really.
No, if it had like more curves to it, it'd look better on an SC.
Omar.
Huh.
Omar, what are you doing?
I don't know what we're doing.
Where are you going?
Hey, oh, I'm selling right now.
Oh my god. Wait, you're selling the wing?
I'll cash out you 500.
Wait,
right
why
now.
are you selling the wing? You just fucking got it.
Slick Omar, you about to
I'll cash out you 500 right now.
Nigga, wait till you're sober to make that decision.
We're all sober. We're vlogging. What are you
Why is
talking
it so
about?
good though. Like, Omar, that's straight.
And it
ass.
does fit on the
Yeah.
trunk. It fits
Yeah,
on
Omar,
the
Omar,
trunk. Yeah, it's in the line.
Switch your hair back.
No, nigga.
Start screaming at him.
You already knew it was in there. Oh, fuck me.
Nigga, took out the
I
Xbox.
just broke the tray. No. Yeah, that bitch ain't going back in.
Eesh.